to the oh, here they come right here. Oh my goodness, I'm sure I want to talk to him either. Scheduled to go in a match. Freezer Thompson has climbed up into the ring right now, and you're.
You need to say ah.
I don't need to say ah.
Yeah, you need to be examined.
No, we're here to do an interview and maybe find out a little bit about you and Dr. Death and why you're here and all that sort of thing. Not a physical, all right?
I need to act physically too.
No. Let's talk about wrestling, all right?
No, y'all look like y'all need to be in some kind of ward. I think y'all have some kind of disease. What do you think about it, doctor? Look at this virus. Look at these people.
You cannot tongue depressor and insult the fans and all that. If you'd like to talk about the match coming up, that's fine. Otherwise, may I suggest you get in the ring and let's do the match here.
Well, all I know is these people out here look like they got some kind of disease. And I don't know. What do you think about it, doctor? They all look like they have some kind of disease to me. And we're here to make a decision on whether we're going to take them out and what kind of cure we're going to use on them.
Well, I'm not sure I fully understand all of that, but why don't, how are you going to do that? You going to do that by defeating opponents or what?
We're going to do a medical examination on each and every one of our opponents.
Well, that may be difficult to do, but I guess now's the time to start right here. Freezer Thompson is waiting. How about Dr. Death climbing up into the ring? And let's get this one going, all right? One fall, 15-minute time limit match.
What kind of pan is that? She got some kind of pan or something that she's carrying around.
Oh, good grief.
I think I know what that is.
Well, I tell you what, they're climbing into the ring right now. Frank Morrell calls for the bell.
She said she's up in the ring, Dave, holding things up. She was over here trying to give you a physical or something. I don't know what she was doing. I opened up the mouth.
Kind of dumb, and I don't, putting rubber gloves on.
Rubber gloves on.
Talking about people having disease and all that sort of thing, and I want to protect her wrestler, and I don't know about this.
Meanwhile, our friend over here, she's up near ringside again there. She's taking some notes of Nurse Kratchett and Dr. Death.
All right, well, there's Nurse Kratchett stepping out of the ring, and Dr. Death, he leaves the surgical mask on. Well, found out one thing. This guy can throw a broad arm. He's in the territory. He's going to be wrestling Tom Pritchard later on this week with a Southern title on the line.
Oh, boy, he's tough-looking guy. He's wrestling with those gloves on.
Did you get the idea that she didn't want to tell me too much about him?
Oh, I did.
Yeah.
I did get that. She's not saying much at all. Using all of those medical terms. Now, my friend over here, she's meanwhile taking some notes of Nurse Kratchett. Looking on at the action of Dr. Death. Dr. Death takes one of those gloves off. Working over Freezer Thompson. Nails Freezer. Boy, catches Freezer right in the side there. Dr. Death, our first look at him in the USWA on Championship Wrestling, and he's got a huge opponent to go against in Freezer Thompson, and boy, he is working over Freezer. Catches him in the midsection. Takes Freezer into the ropes now. Catches him with a big back drop, boy. Freezer Thompson laying out on his back. And Dr. Death takes him over to the corner, choking him over there on that metal rope. Oh
my goodness.
Nurse Kratchett with that. That's a bad pan she's got there. She nailed Freezer with that thing. Boy, that's it. 1, 2, 3. Boy, I tell you the truth. Nurse Kratchett had a bad pan in here. That metal thing, she nailed Freezer upside the head with it, and Dr. Death got the 1, 2, 3. That's why she didn't want to take that thing out of here. Boy, Nurse Kratchett and Dr. Death.
One of the most unconventional endings to a wrestling match you'll ever see, fans. We'll be back with more right after this.